Hi everyone, and welcome to the 3 p.m. news. Raglan is now a thriving metropolis with a new light-speed train which connects Auckland with Raglan. Great. Well, anyway, we cross over live to Raglan to see the train. Oh look, here it comes now, directly from Auckland. It's going over the new improved one-lane bridge. People are racing to get on the train. There it goes around its track. What's that? Oh no, a giant lava bomb! Karioi's erupting! Run for your lives! It's ruined! My train!
Get a new choo-choo train.
Well, that was an unexpected end. In other news, we leave you with this awesome cliffhanger.